Heather Ray Young. Will you marry him?
I never planned on dating again. I didn't plan on getting married, and here we are. It's a big decision to change venues.
It's a big decision. My gut is telling me we should change.
I just want you to be happy. I want the wedding to be perfect.
Yay, but I'm also like,
We have nothing done, nothing chosen. Like, we haven't even sent out the invites.
we almost need to see it all together again, right?
Every little detail counts.
I do not feel good.
You might not feel good, but you look good, boy.
Which one? Which one?
I'm sure she's gonna look amazing, but the most important thing is the love that's gonna shine through.
So is this the one for you, Mom?
You look beautiful. Finally, the wedding weekend, and Santa Barbara was the perfect choice.
You've made me and Teresa the happiest mother and father in the world.
I know you said no babies, I'm done, but like you have to.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, don't cry.
I'm just so excited to read the vows to her, tell her I do, tell her I love her. You truly make me a better man, a better father, a better son, a better friend, and a better human.
I love you more than the world. You and me forever.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Congratulations.
This is a magical wedding.
It really is. They really are soulmates, and you see that.
Here's to real love and to Mr. and Mrs. Moussa.